Today, our group will present about flight attendant. What is flight attendant? Do you want to know? Are you ready? Let's go!
It is the main occupation to take care for the safety for the aircraft so the passenger can travel safely to their destination. The next step is to facilitate passengers such as providing seat for passengers, serving food and drink and taking care for them when they are sick or need help while flying until they reach their destination. The airline will have to show how many flights or how many flights are required each month. Qualifications suitable for a profession. First, you must have a love for service because the duty of the employer to receive on the plane is service. Facilitating passengers throughout their journey requires a high determination to serve passengers with the utmost convenience and comfort.
Second, you need to be friendly and positive or has a good attitude because a good attitude determines good action. Good service follow. Create a personality that is polite and friendly and see problem as challenge. Happy to serve and don't see anything as burden. Next, you need to be a strong and complete body, no disease, not overweight, able to stand and work long hours, move easily and provide full service. Then you need to be flexibility to having the ability to adapt to everyone, every race, every culture. You must also be ready for every situation that will arise. Must think quickly, make a decision quickly, but maintaining the best for passenger. Finally, you need to ready to work as team. Must meet a wide range of people. Work as team in one of the quality that airline want in flight attendant applicant as much as service.
สวัสดีค่ะนิ้วก้อยเด็กกับก้อยนะคะและ EP นี้ค่ะก็คือ EP One Day with me นกนิ้วก้อยค่ะก้อยจะพาเพื่อนๆไปดูกันนะคะว่าเป็นแอร์ใน1 วันจะต้องทำอะไรบ้างถ้าพร้อมแล้วไปบินกันเลยตอนนี้เราก็มาถึงที่เกตแล้วนะคะเราเครื่องก็เข้าแล้วเรียบร้อยเดี๋ยวเราจะเข้าไปในเครื่องบินแล้วก็เตรียมตัวทำงานกันค่ะเดี๋ยวเราจะเปลี่ยนรองเท้านะคะจากรองเท้าส้นสูงเปลี่ยนเป็นรองเท้าที่ใส่บนเครื่องเรียกว่าเทนนิสชูค่ะ
Advantage of the profession. First, be high paid. Second, have visited more than 100 countries around the world. Third, working with almost 200 different research. For there are several holidays about 8 days a month, and 1 year can take 30 of the last one is not a routine or repeated. Because there are always changes allow we new experience or perspective.
Disadvantage of the profession. First, these causes health damage due to non-timely flight schedule, eating and sleeping time, disruption of the body system. When working for 3 to 4 years, it becomes noticeably easier to get sick. Second, miss the opportunity of important people. Even though there are many holidays, you have to ask for a year in advance so you can attend important people's events, such as not often celebrating birthday with family members, lovers, and friends' wedding. Then some airlines retire at the age of 45, so they will have to find other jobs. Finally, there is sex because when there is an emergency, can escape because on a plane. There are still many people who miss homesick and can't sleep well.
Thank you for watching. Bye.